Good morning. Welcome to the COVID-19 media briefing for June 2nd, 2021. I'm Carrie Schurig, the Public Information Officer for the Shasta County Health and Human Services Agency. As of yesterday, June 1st, we have had 12,445 confirmed cases, and we're reporting from 4 different days yesterday due to the holiday. We had 19 cases Friday, 9 Saturday, 2 Sunday, and 2 Monday for a total of 32 cases Friday through Monday. We have 13 people who are hospitalized, including 5 in the intensive care unit. Our available regional ICU capacity for the 11 Northern California counties is 26.6%, and we have had 230 Shasta County residents who have died from COVID-19. With us today, we have Robin Schurig. She's the director of the Public Health Branch of the Shasta County Health and Human Services Agency, and she has an update to share with all of you. Robin, go right ahead.
Thank you. I want to start as usual with our latest case rate and test positivity. We continue to be assigned to the red tier, along with now only 3 other counties statewide. No counties remain in the most restrictive purple tier, and meanwhile 35 are in the less restrictive orange tier and 19 are in the least restrictive yellow tier. I do have some good news this week, though. Our case rate decreased from 8.2 daily cases per 100,000 population last week to 6.3 this week. And that is our adjusted rate, which was again adjusted down because we continue to have a higher testing volume than the state average. Our unadjusted rate is 7.6, down from 9.1 last week. Our test positivity also decreased from 3.7% last week to 2.9% this week. We are now at the point where there is not enough time left in the tier system for us to move tiers, so we will remain in the red tier until June 15th when the blueprint or tier system is lifted by the state for the whole state. At that point, there will still be restrictions for what the state is calling mega events, which are events like festivals and conferences or locations such as amusement parks, where more than 5,000 people are gathering in an indoor setting or where more than 10,000 people are gathering in an outdoor setting. Workplaces will still be subject to OSHA standards, and there will still be restrictions for youth settings, such as schools and day camps, healthcare settings, and high-risk congregate settings. But other businesses and activities that are currently subject to restrictions will be able to return to normal operations. Again, this is effective June 15th across the state of California. The latest vaccination data from the state shows that our rate of at least 1 dose among the eligible population, so those aged 12 and older, is 44.3% compared to the statewide rate of 64.6%. About 34% of our eligible population are fully vaccinated and another approximately 10% are partially vaccinated. Again, the fact that we have a low vaccination rate and a high case rate makes it important for us to continue to encourage people to get vaccinated, address any access barriers they may have, and help them get their questions answered and their concerns addressed. We continue to encourage people to visit shastaready.org for more information on when and where to get vaccinated, including at the Redding Senior Center at 2290 Benton Drive, which can vaccinate anyone 12 or older. They accept walk-ins, so you don't even need to make an appointment. And they are open Friday through Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., so evenings and weekends included. They're closed from 2 to 3 daily. shastaready.org also includes information about the vaccine, including links to reputable sources of information, frequently asked questions, and information specifically for teens. Check it out and talk with your healthcare provider if you're still unsure. And we are, of course, also continuing to encourage people to be vigilant about masking and distancing and to stay home and get tested when you're sick or when you've been around someone who may have COVID, or if you've attended an event where masking and distancing were not happening. That's all I have. Thanks and have a great day.
All right, thank you, Robin. We also wanted to share that next week will be the last recorded media briefing for the COVID-19 response. After that, we will be beyond the blueprint on June 15th. We will continue to keep our website updated with current information, but we will not be holding weekly briefings like this one. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and have a healthy day.